Hey guys, here we go again, part 2. Let's open the box. Let me put the camera a little bit better. So in the previous video we already looked at what I purchased when I purchased it and what the differences are with the Note Air and its counterpart, the Max Illumi, of which I already created another video. So let's start with this one. How are we going to open this one? I use a pen, incision. It feels very heavy, the box. Let's see how we can open this. Okay. There we go. So in the box we have, yes, right. I have two boxes. I have an invoice. I have the original cover. How is it with the focus? Yes, that's better. There we see it. So we can see the color. We'll see, that's nice. Okay, it has it's some like a bag. Okay, it's nice. On its own, it already feels a bit heavy actually. We'll see why when we open it. And then we have the Note Air itself. I don't know if you can see it. It looks a lot like the box that we had for the Max Illumi. It's wrapped in plastic, so let's open this again with my pen, because for some reason all the scissors run away in this house. Let me see, there we go. We have a big spot. Okay, let's put the box away, and here we have it. It's actually the same as with the Max Illumi. We can see all the specifications on the back. We have the serial number, stuff like that. I like always the smell of new. Yes, and it's really beautiful. Even the front, it's yeah, there is some relief in it. It's nice. So we now know how to open this. We just let the box come outside from below. Let's put the beautiful casing away. So we are at, I hope, the last box. I see that it's just a box in a box, so let's just put it open like this. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, there we go. And there we have it. So in the inside there is some felt. It's nice and soft, probably to protect the e-ink device. Here we have it. And this is a screen protector. This is actually my nightmare. I'm not able to put those on any device. Never. For some reason there are always bubbles coming on it. I actually created a video with my frustration trying to put it on the Max Illumi. And the end result was that nothing. I had to throw it away. The curious thing is that, let's see how it fits. This protector is protecting the whole e-ink device. So not only the screen part, but also the side that you hold with your fingers. See? I'm going to put this horrible thing away. I will try it again, but it will fail probably again. So, what are my first impressions? Heavy. It's really heavy. This was not something I expected. Yeah, it's really heavy. If I compare it to, for example, here, I have a Kobo. I think, which Kobo is this again? Forma. This is a Kobo Forma. This is an 8-inch tablet, e-ink device at least. It doesn't have the same capabilities as the books from Onyx because it's not a tablet like an Android tablet. However, you can do really a lot with it. And one of the reasons that I purchased it, 2 reasons actually, is that it's waterproof. So I can take it into bed or next to the swimming pool. And then there is this side to hold it. And that's really nice. This is the reason that I also purchased the Note Air. I wanted to test this because I had a good experience with this. Except that this Kobo Forma weighs nothing. It's really easy to hold. It's an 8-inch and it weighs nothing. When I try to do the same with this device, oh my god, it's really heavy. Yeah, that's kinda a bummer for me because I like to hold things a lot. It's not so far off from the big brother, huh? Let me put them in perspective for you. So we see that 10-inch and 13-inch make a big difference. It's a really big difference. So basically, let me see if I can show them all 3 here without making them fall. And it's happening, it's falling. Let me see if I can change the camera a little bit better so that we can see them all 3 next to each other. So this is the 13-inch Onyx Max Illumi. This is the 10.3 Note Air that we are reviewing. Oh, what happened with the focus? See if we can get the focus back. Okay, sorry. So what I was saying is that this is the Max Illumi 13.3 inch. This is the Note Air 10.3. This is the Kobo Forma. This is a 8-inch. And then, for example, to see what that 6-inch is about, I have my, let me see if I can show you when it's turned on. Okay. How much can I put on one screen? Let's see. For you guys. It's difficult, huh? I need to make it. Okay, there we can see it a little bit better. So we have the 13.3, we have the 10.3, we have an 8-inch Kobo Forma, and then we have the Pocketbook Color. That's actually a really nice one. I hope that one day it will come in larger sizes. Look how cool. Color and everything, that's just nice. An e-ink device. And it's not expensive. So here we have all the 4 devices, so I'm going to put the Max Lumi away, the Kobo Forma away, and the pocketbook away. And now we are left with our subjects, the Note Air. I'm going to open it. So on the back side we see that it's a 5-volt charger at 3 amperes, which means it can fast charge. There we go. So come on, focus. Why is the camera not focusing? I really hate this. Ah, there, finally, it's focused. Okay, let's see. It's blue. The front is blue. The orange sides, you can feel it a little bit. It has some relief, but not much. On the back, it looks, very brilliant, but I think it will quickly take your fingerprints. I see it already. At the bottom we have nothing, on the right side we have nothing, at the top we have nothing, so there is only one side where actually there are things to see and to plug in. We have the power button. I don't think this is smart to put the power button next to the power supply. That's really strange, because if you put it on you, it's by accident you can turn it on and off. Yeah, at this point I see a lot of disadvantages from the Note Air. But we will see how this is working in reality, if it's really bothering me or not. Something that we also see is that on this device we don't have the HDMI micro adapter, nor have we the plug. We only have one microphone, and we had 2 on the Max Lumi. So yeah, it is a real downgrade. And I'm wondering I'm wondering what they meant on the specifications, that there is analog audio, because I don't see a 3.5 inch anywhere. That's kind of strange. Okay, let's see what we had else in the box. So, and this was the adapter, the SD adapter that we received in the Max Lumi for macro SD cards. Okay, let's see. It has a strong smell. We have 2 boxes in it. There's nothing below except a strong smell. The first one is just manual, I think. Yes, and the serial number and warranty and stuff like that. So we are going to put that away. And we are going to look at the accessories. How do we open it? So it slides from the top. We have a charger cable, that's USB-C to USB-A. And then we have the pen. We already saw it on the screenshots of the part 1 video, that it has a nice tip It feels better in the hand. It has no eraser at the top. In comparison, where is the old one? Well, actually, the one that is 1 week old from the Max Lumi. This is what we got in the Max Lumi. And we can see that it's much thinner than the Note Air version. It's also smaller. You can see it. It's thinner, it's smaller, it doesn't have something to attach. We don't have the eraser. And I wonder... there is no button. We also had a button on this one. I was disappointed with this pen last week when I was doing my unboxing, but in the end it seems to be better than the new one. Okay, the new one has the advantage of... did you see that? Of being magnetic. And it seems that the magnetic part is somewhere here at the top. You see how it tries to go up? So it's trying to magnetize here somewhere. And on this side too. You see, when I try to pull, it goes back. Okay. Here it's still magnet. You see it, I can almost move. I'm looking where it is magnetic. It's magnetic here also. So I feel there are two magnets here on the bottom, one at the top. You have the same on the side. And we have the same here on this side and here. But I think in this one there is no magnet at the top here. It's only on the sides and over the whole length. While here we have two distinct two magnets, one at the top and one at the bottom. You can see it because look, it's going to jump to the other magnet. Right there. Come on, it's not jumping? Ah, there it goes. I was hoping that it would jump. There you saw it, in that direction. And in the other direction, it went too. So we seem to have three magnetic parts. Here on this side, and then on the blue side we have two on the top, and then we have the sides. It also seems that it tries to go on top. Okay, we will review the pen later. I think that's good for the unboxing, and in the next video we will try to turn it on and see what the options are and the configurations. Thank you!